Hello everyone! Today, I'll take you on an artful journey where my skilled golden hands will demonstrate how to paint a poppy flower using watercolor. We'll start on a blank canvas of watercolor paper. Using a pencil, I'll gently etch the initial delicate lines of our poppy sketch. Next, I intensify the detail with a darker pencil, making sure every aspect of the flower is captured. Once the pencil sketch looks just right, we'll dive into the fascinating world of watercolor painting. In the painting phase, we start with soft, diluted colors, gradually adding less water and more pigment to reveal the vibrant hues of our poppy. We'll focus on the flower's center, giving it prominence, while allowing the edges to blur slightly. We'll build our painting layer by layer, tweaking the paint's tone, letting the colors mingle directly on the paper, resulting in unique and organic patterns. After the paint has dried, I'll emphasize and fine-tune the lines with colored pencils and markers. Now, what does the poppy symbolize? The poppy stands as a symbol of fertility, a state of forgetfulness, and even laziness. Its image is associated with sleep and death, yet its blooming phase signifies unrivaled beauty, epitomizing enduring feminine allure and youthfulness. It symbolizes the Great Mother, linked to the Virgin Mother, and is connected to all night and lunar deities. In Persian culture, the poppy is seen as a symbol of happiness, eternal love, and joy, with its wild nature suggestive of a deep, intimate connection. Buddhists firmly believe that the poppy sprang to life when the sleeping Buddha's eyelashes touched the earth. In China, the flower was once associated with success, beauty, relaxation, and detachment from worldly chaos. However, over time it evolved into a symbol of women of easy virtue and even brothels. In the early 19th century, following the Opium War, the poppy's reputation was tarnished, as opium smoking became prevalent and the flower began to be linked with evil and decay. Clearly, the poppy's history is rich and diverse. Different cultures perceive and interpret this beautiful flower in their unique ways, often with meanings that conflict with one another. For today's journey, let's choose to focus on the poppy as a symbol of happiness, youth, and fertility. Let's believe in the best, and so it will be. Enjoy the process.